Okay, this section we will talk about the motors. Part A. For motors, we can divide it into several types: DC motor, AC motor, and the control motor. A DC motor is relatively old, not used widely today. And the control motor is a small one, normally for control, like for the civil system. And for power drive, we will mainly talk about AC motors. First, we will have a synchronous motor, which means the speed of the motor is always the same as the synchronous speed. That means the speed is always constant. Second one is a synchronous motor or induction motor. And for synchronous motor, we have a permanent magnetic and also have electric excited. Both of them have silent pole and a non-silent pole. For induction motor, we have a squirrel cage induction motor, which is widely used today. And also we have a wound load motor. This is a structure for a typical induction motor, a small size. Actually, the motor is invented by the famous Nikola Tesla in 1887. So for motors, we have a frame, the state core, and the state winding, the coils, and the road core, road winding, and the front cover with bearing, and the end cover, and the fan for cooling the motor, and the fan cover, and also the terminal box for wiring all the power wires, and the lift lugs for lift. These are the pictures of several large motors. Like this one, this part is we call the cooling part, water-to-air heat exchange on top of the motor. And this is the state of the motor. This is the rotor of the motor. And this is the actually the site for the gas pipeline. This is a compressor. This is a motor. And this motor is like a 20 megawatts, very big one. And this is the variable frequency drive for drive the motor, 25 MVA. And for that site, the drive is supplied by my company, Nancal. And here is the key parameter of the motors. Most of the parameters you can find on the nameplate of the motor, like the power, the rated power of the motor, PN. We need to know, that the rated power of the motor is a mechanical power on the shaft of the motor, not the electric power on the terminal of the motor input. It's mechanical. It's a mechanical power. And the rated voltage, this is the line-to-line voltage of the state winding line voltage. And the rated current is a current at the rated operation condition. And the rated speed is the rotating speed of the motor. For the induction motor, the actual speed is always less than the synchronous speed. And also we have the power factor of the motor. And also the rated frequency is 50 Hertz or 60 Hertz. And also the efficiency of the motor. Efficiency is you can get efficient by divided the output the mechanical power divided by the input electrical power. Then you get efficiency. And this is a typical nameplate. This is a type of the motor, rated voltage, power, current, frequency, duty cycle, rated speed. This is standard IEC or NEMA or JAB or whatever. This efficiency. Power factor is normally not on the, sometimes is on the nameplate, sometimes not. Also efficiency. It's not always on the nameplate. Noise, weight, number, efficiency class, protection. Okay, insulation class F. Actually, F means 155 degrees C. Sometimes you will have the B class. B class is 130 degrees C. Connection delta Y, manufacturing date. Some useful formula for motors, this one. You can get the power of the motor with rated voltage, current, power factor, and efficiency. Like for motor with 380 volts, rated voltage, current, efficiency, and the power factor efficiency, then you get the motor 7.5 kilowatt by this formula. Second one is about the torque of the motor. For example, the motor is 7.5 kilowatt, and this is the rated speed. Then you get the torque. So this is the power of the motor. The unit is kilowatt. Here's the speed. Here's the torque. And this is the we call the acceleration formula for motor acceleration. For example, this is Tm is the motor torque, magnetic torque. TL is the load torque. And N is the speed, rotation speed. This is the rate of speed change. GD square is the moment of the motor and the load, the whole moment of the driving system, mechanical system. So this is all for today's tutorial, and you can scan the code to get more information. Thank you.